Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a Shopify app. If you've been working with Shopify for a while, you may have downloaded a variety of apps to help expand your store's capabilities. But sometimes you may find that you don't need a particular app anymore, or perhaps it doesn't suit your needs as you originally thought. Whatever the reason, uninstalling an app from your Shopify store is a simple and straightforward process. Removing unused apps protects your store speed. Heavy apps add scripts. More scripts increase load time. Every additional second of load time can drop conversions by about 7% on mobile. Uninstall apps you don't use. You keep your store fast. Shoppers stay longer. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here you will see a navigation panel that lists various options, such as home, orders, products, and so on. For the purpose of removing an app, you'll want to focus on the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps, and this will take you directly to your Apps page. Before uninstalling, audit your apps. Ask yourself 3 questions. Does this app generate sales? Does this app reduce manual work? Does this app improve customer experience? If the answer is no, remove it. Keep only apps that deliver measurable value. Once you're on the Apps page, you'll notice a button that says Apps and Sales Channel Settings. Clicking on this button will pull up a detailed list of all the applications that you have currently installed on your store. This list provides an easy-to-navigate way to view and manage all your apps in one place. If you run seasonal promotions, you often install temporary apps. Mark them in a list. Remove them after the campaign ends. You avoid clutter. You stay organized. You reduce technical issues later. Now, let's say you've identified the app you want to remove from your store. Take a close look at the list of apps and locate the one you're no longer interested in keeping. Once you find it, you'll notice a small 3-dot icon next to the app's name. This icon is a common symbol for additional options or settings in many online platforms, including Shopify. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu with a few different choices. Some apps insert code into your theme or enable app embeds. After installing, open your online store theme's Customize panel. Check App Embeds. Turn off any leftover toggles. Then, save your theme. You keep your design clean. You prevent hidden script loading. Among the options in this drop-down menu, you'll see one that says Uninstall. Go ahead and click on Uninstall, and this action will initiate the process to remove the app from your Shopify store. It's important to double-check that you are selecting the correct app for deletion, as you don't want to accidentally remove one that you still need. Backup first. Many apps offer export options before uninstall. Look for export, download, or save settings. You keep copies of data, you protect your workflow. You avoid starting from zero if you reinstall later, and that's all there is to it. After you've clicked Uninstall, the app will no longer be part of your store, freeing up space and resources for any future apps you may want to try. If you ever change your mind or need the app again, you can always reinstall it. After uninstall, clear browser cache, refresh your store, test key pages, confirm everything loads. This quick test protects your user experience. Your subscribers learn a safe habit by doing the same. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, Shopify support is always available to help guide you through these processes. Uninstalling is easy. Maintaining speed, design cleanliness, and data safety is what separates good sellers from struggling ones.
Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the task of uninstalling an app on Shopify a breeze.